Hi everyone, this is Ziad from the Tech Channel and welcome back to this new video. Today I'm gonna talk about adapter filter lenses. Why is this and why you gonna buy them and what is the best for you. Let's go into it. So as you see guys, this is my set. This is an adapter set, comes with a small size till most common large lenses, and it's 77 to 82. This is it's begin or start with a size of 49 to 52, and that means this from the inside it's 49 and from the outside it's 52. And what you can do that you can extend your option by put these above this or on the top of this until you have the right size that fit you. The thing is that when I decided to buy a filter lens, I bought this one from Polaroid Circle BL. It's a set, comes with a 3 BL filter lens, and it was the best choice for me because I bought it for the first lens I bought, and it's Canon 24 to 70 millimeter. So, but I don't have money, or I don't want actually to purchase more or any more of ND filter or UV filter. So what I decided to do just to buy this set, and then with this option I can extend my option just to use this filter on any other lens, even it's small or even it's maybe bigger than that. For me, I have a lens here. And as you see, it's from Tamron. It's 70 millimeter to 300 millimeter, but this is a size comes with 62 millimeter, and it's of course it's UV ND filter. So what I can do after that, as you see here, I just put them together, so I can put them all on the top of it, and in this way I can use this ND on this lens, or maybe any other choice or any other lens. That is very useful if you don't want to buy or to use any other filter, unless you are outside and you are using many cameras. Then the choose or the best choice for you just to buy many different UV filter, or at least ND filter. And I bought this UV filter from KF Concept, and it's also a cheap one. It's cost like 12 euro. So you can give it a shot and take a look on it. It's a new company and they are very popular these days with them product. But this one actually give you a different warm color, or it's give you a warm color to your footage or your picture. So I will put also the link for the video that I made about this filter in the description below, so be sure to check that video. And if you find this video useful, please give me that like thumbnail, and if you don't, give me that dislike thumbnail. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.